Imam Al-Reda arrived to Khurasan in the year 196 after the Hijrah, and he was murdered and assassinated in the year 203 after the Hijrah. But 3 years, or less than 3 years, where he became Waliyul Ahd, the Khalifa of the Ma'mun. And of course, Imam Al-Reda gave a public statement that he is not a political figure. Ma'mun tried to create many plots for Imam Al-Reda so that he would fail. He knew that Imam had a vast knowledge in Islamic science, so he tested the Imam in many ways. He called the most influential of ulama of the Muslims. They debated the Imam, and the Imam showed that he is the alim, he is the scholar. They are in need of him, he is not in need of them. We're astonished by the ilm of Imam Al-Reda sallallahu alayhi. Al-Ma'mun created a different law. He was the most important man around the world. So he called on to the Christian archbishop and the Jews and the Sabians and their scholars. One night, they all arrived to Khurasan. They were given their residence. One of the khadims of the Imam, who was Iraqi, went to the Imam in the evening and he said, Ya Ibn Rasulullah, this Ma'mun has a plot for you. He realized that you will win all the ulama within the Islamic realm because you are the alim, you are the alim of the Muslims. However, he summoned the Christians and the Jews and the Sabians, he summoned the atheists, he summoned Magans, he summoned the agnostics, so that you would enter a debate with them. So Imam says to him, why? He said, Ya Rasulullah, because you would not be able to debate them with the Quran or Hadith. You would not be able to debate them even in Arabic. He wants to show your weakness to everybody. You know what Imam Al-Reda says to him? He says, do you know when Ma'mun is going to be regretful? He says to him, Ya Rasulullah, tell me when? He says he's going to be regretful once I start debating the people of the Old Testament with the Old Testament, the New Testament with the New Testament, the people of the Zabur and the Talmud with their own books, in their own language. So he thought this was a plot against Imam Al-Reda, not knowing that Imam Al-Reda's knowledge stems from the knowledge of Amir al-Mu'mineen. And the knowledge of Amir al-Mu'mineen stems from Rasulullah, and the knowledge of Rasulullah stems from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the next day Imam Al-Reda arrived, and Imam Al-Reda was able to convert every single one of them. And in the end, one of them says to Ma'mun, how can you declare yourself a leader, Imam? While Ali ibn Musa al-Reda, one of the Christians, the Jews, the Magans, while Ali ibn Musa al-Reda is amongst you, this man who spoke to us in Hebrew and Greek, who read out of our own books, who knows of our books more than we know. How can you do that? So Ma'mun realized the threat, and there he actually offered the Khilafah to Imam Al-Reda to see whether Imam Al-Reda really wanted the Khilafah. So Imam Al-Reda rejected, and he refused. That did not stop Al-Ma'mun to pursue Imam Al-Reda and to poison Imam Al-Reda sallallahu alayhi and to kill Imam. And Imam Al-Reda now is buried in Khurasan.